The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System uses a sensor in the front of the vehicle to analyze the speed and distance to the vehicle directly ahead, as well as a vehicle traveling in front of that one. The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System operates at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by flashing the Vehicle Ahead Detection indicator with an audible warning. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the menu button on the control panel. Touch Driver Assistance. Emergency Assist. Then, Forward to toggle the system on or off. Turning the system off will also disable the forward emergency braking system. This warning light will illuminate. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, this indicator and/or this warning message may be displayed. The indicator will flash when only the camera is blocked. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to the radar and camera areas. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.